Hello everyone, welcome to Shishuwal. I am Priya and it is the peak of the summer season. Well, summer brings with it the delicious mangoes as well, which can make anything better. Today's video is a mango special and we are going to share 3 yummy mango recipes with you. Mangoes are not only delicious, but they are also rich sources of vitamin A, vitamin C and other minerals like potassium. So let's get into the video. So the first recipe that we are sharing with you is the yummy mango milkshake. My daughter has started looking forward to her evening milk ever since I started making this milkshake. So for this we are going to need half cup of mangoes. We have peeled the mango and cut the flesh into small pieces. We'll need half cup of milk and sugar as required. Now, if your mango is very ripe and very sweet, you may not even add any sugar. But if you feel that you need some sugar, you may add a little. So, we will add all the ingredients into a blender. First goes the mango, then we will add milk and finally we'll add just a teaspoon of sugar, and that's it. Now we are going to blend it. So after blending, that's how our milkshake looks. We like quite thick mango shake, but if you want, you can make it thinner by adding more milk and less mango puree. Okay, so the second recipe that we're going to share is mango lassi. This is also very delicious and you will see that it tastes almost like a shrikhand after you have chilled it. So we're going to need mangoes again. They have been cleaned, chopped into pieces, curd, then we have cardamom, crushed cardamom and sugar as we require. And then we'll put the mangoes into the blender. It is half cup of mango and equal quantity of yogurt. You can also thin this yogurt with the help of milk or water. I am using water here. So in go the crushed cardamom or elaichi as we call it, some sugar and a little bit of water just to make it easier to whip it. And then after whipping, that's how our mango lassi looks, thick and yummy, and trust me, once you chill it, it tastes so yummy. Your child is going to love it absolutely. And why just children? The whole family can enjoy it. And this one is going to be every child's favorite, at least my daughter's favorite. So these are mango and yogurt popsicle, very healthy and very easy to make. So the first thing we are going to do is we'll add a little milk to the mango pieces and we'll make a fine puree out of it. Yeah, so this is our mango puree. We have half cup of thick yogurt here and use a whisk to make it absolutely smooth. There should not be any lumps. We are adding some sugar to sweeten the curd here. You can also use powdered sugar. I have used the granulated sugar that I had. Add a little water to thin out the yogurt and should be absolutely smooth. Yeah. So now I'm adding just a tiny pinch of pineapple essence. You can also add vanilla. Or even mango essence, whichever one you like. And now I have the popsicle mold. And we will now add the mango puree at first and then the yogurt mixture. So fill it about 1/3 of the popsicle molds with the mango puree at first. It's a thick puree, so it will be messy. It's okay. You can always wipe it later. Then after that, we will now add the yogurt mixture. And don't worry about it being very neat, because that is what gives it a nice look. So another 1/3 of the yogurt mixture. Fill it up. And finally, we top it up with the mango puree again. Now, if your mangoes are very tart, you can also add a little sugar while making the puree. The mangoes that I used were pretty sweet, so I did not add any extra sugar in the mangoes. So that's it. Our popsicles are ready to go into the fridge. Just wipe the molds off, and we will then cover them. Can you see how nice they are looking? So I covered them up, and they'll go into the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours, and then they'll be ready to eat. So as you can see, now we have them out of the fridge, of the freezer, and my daughter just enjoyed these. I'm sure your children are also going to love them. And if you like these 3 recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel. We will see you again very soon with more wonderful recipes.